The animal kingdom has several representatives, each with very peculiar characteristics. There are those who stand out for their strength, others for their speed, and also those considered intelligent due to some of their capabilities. We list some of the most intelligent animals you can find on the planet and the reasons why they enter into relationships. Check out some of them and prepare to be amazed. 6. Orangutans. Monkeys are among the animals that share the most characteristics with humans, and evidently one of them is intelligence. This is something most notable when we talk about an orangutan. Orangutans have excellent memory and planning skills, as well as using tools, sign language, and even creating complex structures. 5. Dolphins. If we look at marine animals, we will realize that one of the most intelligent creatures that live underwater are dolphins. Speaking specifically of the bottlenose dolphin, this species can recognize itself in mirrors and identify images on television. Another important detail is that this type of dolphin also has its own dialect, but is capable of switching to a common language when it wants to communicate with other animals of its type. 4. Elephants. Elephants have always been known as animals that have a good memory, being able to remember a face even if they haven't seen it for years. However, it is not only in this field that our trunk friends stand out. In addition to having a social structure and participating in funerals for members of the herd who have died, elephants are also able to use tools and even eat the correct herbs to cure themselves if they have an illness. 3. Crows. Crows are cited as some of the most intelligent animals on the planet, having the largest brain among birds. Among its main skills we have the ability to recognize some human faces, speak and memorize paths and schedules. Another point regarding these birds is that they are among the few beings on the planet capable of holding a kind of wake for other members of their groups. In fact, this is the moment when they analyze the possible cause of death and try to learn important lessons for life. 2. Pigs. Contrary to what many imagine, pigs also have a high level of intelligence compared to other animals. To give you an idea, they are very similar to dogs in this regard, presenting different skills in their package. At just 6 weeks old, for example, a pig is already capable of recognizing its own reflection, in addition to responding to various emotions. Animals of this type are also capable of solving problems and even learning to manipulate some types of objects. 1. Rats. Many look at rats as disgusting creatures or as just guinea pigs, but believe me, they are among the most intelligent in the animal kingdom. Contrary to what many imagine, they have several behaviors that are very similar to those of human beings. The brains of these little ones, for example, can memorize mazes and even carry out actions with defined orders, as well as showing signs of loneliness and depression if they are left alone.